Are you frustrated you've accidentally mashed a keyboard shortcut and subsequently lost one or more of your menus? Hopefully, in this tutorial, we can get them back and teach you some handy shortcuts along the way. As you can see here, I've been hitting some keyboard shortcuts and I've ended up with basically no menus showing. In this video, let's reverse engineer this and get Maya back to some sort of default. First, I am in full screen mode. To get out of this, we can hit Ctrl plus space. Next, here at the top, we're missing the main menu bar. To get this back, press Ctrl M. Shift M will get back the panel menu bar, which is this one here. And finally, but not least, Ctrl, Shift, and M gets us back the panel toolbar. If you have a missing menu, it's highly likely one of these shortcuts will get it back for you. Hopefully, knowing these shortcuts will help, and now if you wanted to, you could purposely use these to get the menus out of the way whilst you work, as you can always access the menus from the hotbox by holding the spacebar anyways. If you found value in this video, why not check out some of my others? Also, check out the Discord to join a great community of fellow modelers. The link is in the description. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, smash the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next one.